She looks like a painter only.
She looks like a paint teacher, bro. Who teaches?
Oh my god. I'm bathing in colors now.
That to dry, bro. You want to get wet, bro?
Hey, next time we should buy this color blaster. Where you put color in.
Bro, we'll buy the color blaster and we'll go to Ukraine, bro. Boom. Bro, I hope the colors are organic, bro. I don't want to get cancer, bro. Can you pass me the cigarette now? अरे भाई कलर वाला मत बैठो भाई, बाइक गंदा होता है, वो लोग चिल्लाएंगे।
किसका है? पता है?
अच्छा पता है, तो फिर पूरा गंदा कर दो भाई। ये पैरेलल यूनिवर्स हो गया भाई। Guys are working in the kitchen, bro, and girls are outside chilling. What is your name, bro?
Bookie.
Huh?
Bookie.
Bookie. Sounds shady, bro.
I know.
Bookie. Leave it, bro. Don't hold, bro. That'll kill the adventure. Bro, they were like, no alcohol allowed on premises, bro. I was like, cancel this. Trekking is safe without alcohol, bro. Trekking, I mean, walking is the basic criteria, bro. Bro, this is dirty as fuck, bro. Push one guy here or what? Be like, bhai, aaja. Why can't they make like proper staircase, bro? Bookie, you are a trek guide, right?
Yes.
Have you ever encountered any people dying in your adventures?
No.
No deaths yet?
No.
Bro, I think you play very safe, bro.
Yeah, I do. This should be the way.
There's no other way, bro. Someone threw their mask here, bro. They were like, fuck this mask, I'll make it to the top. Who would have thought, man? 5:15 in the morning, you will come to a mountain to puke, bro.
That's only water.
Should have been some idli vada, bro. What is this? Only water, bro.
Few people actually stop here and the top gets crowded.
Oh, acha. Are you giving us some hints? Sleep with tiredness, bro. Don't sleep with excitement.
He's excited to sleep after such a long time.
Yeah, bro. Bro, just sleep, bro. You're talking as if you're very clean, bro, right now. Bro, you're kicking and shit on my face, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Shivering good.
It's pretty cold.
The wind, right? And then the t-shirt is full of sweat, bro. This is awesome. कैसा था आपका होली?
अच्छा है।
अच्छा था पर तुम मेरे को कुछ डाला
क्यों आप ना क्या आ गए फिर से? कल लाओ, कलर लाओ। अरे प्लीज क्यों भाई?